Boys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write on a PDF file. So I shared a file with you that's it's called a PDF file, and it's a file that's different from a Google Doc or a Google Slide in that it's not really meant to be written on unless you use what's called a PDF editor, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if I go into my Intro to Middle School folder and just locate the file I shared with you. It's a growth mindset document. So I'm going into my growth mindset folder, and here it is. It's a file that asks you a specific question. It gives you some instructions. It says, watch the J.K. Rowling video on haiku and then discuss a time when you felt you had failed. What did you learn from it? And so if you went to just begin typing on this, it wouldn't work, right? But a way that you can type on this kind of file is, well, there's a variety of tools that will help you do it, but we're going to use a tool called DocHub. So if you just go to the address bar and you type in DocHub, DocHub, and then you hit enter, it shows up right as the first result. And if you click on it, it'll take you to the page website. Now, you'll only have to do this once. After you add the extension, you will be able to just work right from Google Drive. So I've already made an account. So I'm going to log in with Google. You'll do the same thing. And you have to go through the steps of adding your account. So you click on your account. And my user interface shows up with my Google Drive right here. But again, you're never going to have to go here. Yours won't just show up because it's going to ask you to add the extension. And that's really what we have to do here. We just have to get into this website and add the extension. I don't even think you have to log in to do that. You might have to, but that's the first thing we want to do. I can't do it because I've already done it, so I can't do it for this video. But that's what you do. So that's what you have to do. So you go to DocHub and you add the extension. Then when you open up a document in Google Drive, and I just went back to Google Drive, you can move the cursor around the document, and then this little tab will say Open With, and it'll give you a variety of options to open it, a variety of tools to open it with. And there's DocHub. DocHub is going to be right there. Now it opens up in a way. It opens up in a way so that you can type on. You can see it has all these different tools up here on this toolbar. And I'm going to scroll down to the spot that I made on the document for you to write on. And if you come over here and scroll, you see, where's the text? There we go, text. So now we can just make a text box inside this box, and we can begin to type. One time, I worked really hard to pass a test. And this was, the beginning of what maybe I would write about a time that I failed and something that I learned from it. Okay, so there you go. That's how you can. Okay, boys and girls, so I hope that was helpful. That's how you can use a PDF editor. And when you're finished, so I'm going to go back to the pen. You hit this little arrow where it says download/export, and then it gives you the option of Google Drive, and you hit that, and it ends up right back in your Google Drive, except now it has update existing new version. Yup, update and override create a new copy. I'm going to create a new copy. But you wouldn't have to do that. You would just update the existing version. Export to Drive, and there you go. Now it's saved in Drive. And you can hit Show in Drive. It'll take you right back to your Google Drive with the text that you wrote on it. Okay, boys and girls, so I'm not going to keep the video going while it's refreshing. I hope that was helpful, and I'm going to come around and try to help everybody.